this video, we are going to talk about social leads problems. There are lots of companies out there, they're spending money on social ads. And in that case, there is a very good chance that this money goes to the garbage. And let me show you the top 4 problems that we are seeing on a day-to-day basis with prospects coming to us. So first of all, the real-time problem. Let's take a scenario that's currently happening. Let's assume with Facebook, it might be Instagram and so on. Leads coming from Facebook, and then the owner or one of the employees supposed to go to Facebook and download a CSV with all the leads that came in a specific time, and then upload the same CSV to Zoho CRM or any other CRM, and then work on them. The main problem here is that when lead comes in, the lead expect you to contact them almost immediately. Also, when they're coming from social, most of the time their memory is so short that even if you call them after 1 hour, there is a chance that they will tell you that they don't even know who you are. So they will say, I've never requested anyone for information. In that case, what we're doing, we're basically bypassing all that. So we are going to have the leads coming to social media leads, and they will automatically be injected into the CRM in real time and will be assigned to the right person. As an example, in my company, not all the employees will deal with social leads. Me, for example, I'm not a candidate because I don't even have a Facebook account. So I'm not a candidate. But we do have people in the company with social accounts that whenever lead is coming from social, they will be assigned to the lead and they will start working on the process. So instead of waiting days or multiple hours until they are going to talk to the lead, that will be an immediate response. The second problem is the campaign results. And let me explain. Let's assume that I'm spending now $3,000 a month on advertisement. Facebook or Google or whatever company, they're sending leads my way. If I don't let Facebook know which leads were converted to a deal and which ones not, Facebook will continue to send me the same quality of leads. But if lead will come from Facebook, the lead will be converted to a deal, so it's a closed one, and then here I will send the information back to Facebook and I will say the lead that you just sent me, lead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, matured to be a closed won deal. And the more I will report back, obviously it's all done automatically, the more I am sharing with Facebook about the leads that actually been converted, the better Facebook can send me better quality of leads, and I will spend less and get more. So that's a big one. The third thing will be the return of investment. Let's assume that I will have now about 15 campaigns on Facebook. Those campaigns will send traffic to Zoho CRM, and most of what I can get from Facebook will be the different details of the lead. So basically how much money I spent and how many leads were received. That's something that is probably good, but not for me. When I'm running campaigns, I want to see money going out on advertisement, money coming in as deals. I want to see that the amounts are correlating. I don't want to see that I'm spending $3,000 getting $500. The number's not making sense for me. All the other nonsense about time on page, leads, blah, blah, it's all nonsense. It's bullshit. I don't even want to look at those numbers. I don't care. I want to see money going out of my account, money coming back to my account. That's it. In that case, we have a process that we developed, and whenever leads are coming from any campaign, not only Facebook, it can be trade shows, can be referrals, anything. Those leads are coming into the system. They're being assigned automatically to a campaign. It might be campaign referral Lior or trade show New York 2024 or Facebook campaign 1, 2, 3, anything you want. Those are being done, created automatically, and then all the leads and deals are being assigned to it. With that, I can give you a report of a return of investment of all the different campaigns that are in the system, and you can see in a second if the campaign performs or not without being a master in marketing. It's very, very simple. Actually, I found that the more you know about marketing, the less you perform. And then we have the last problem is the campaign score. There is a chance that you will get a bunch of leads from social media. Those leads will come to the system, and you will try to put the same effort into all the leads. While there is a way to assign score automatically based on different criteria. When leads coming in, we are limited in manpower, and therefore we need to know where to allocate the resources in a better way. We are able to allocate score based on the type of campaign, maybe based on the information that came from the campaign, the location, the city of the person, number of employees, products that they want. And based on that, I can assign a score, and eventually the salesperson works based on score. More score related will be also based on behavior. If the customer is responding to my emails, if the customer's emails are bouncing, if the customer had purchased with us in the past, all those will be good signs, and I will be able to allocate points or deduct points in some cases based on different behavior and different criteria. So that's what I wanted to talk to you today about, those 4 items. Each one of those can impact your bottom line directly. Each one of them, it's a 10-15% a year. If you are having any kind of campaigns, take advantage of that. Obviously, if you need any type of help, we will be happy to help you. You can also take the same thing that I just showed you, give it to your developer, and hopefully you will be able to do it as well. Thank you very much for watching this session.